Alright, you're gonna have to excuse the shaky, grainy video, but this is my little old place. We've got a big old shop here, not a lot in it right now, but I've got a welder, and here's my work table, and we have a tree mill. It's 2 UVRC, so it's the heavy duty model, and works pretty good. It's an old one, has DRO on it, works pretty good. Over there in the corner you can see the belt grinder and building worked on. I've got a Millrite mill. This one works pretty good. It's like a 1965 or so. Runs good. The rotary table that I put together. Got a Craftsman 12-inch commercial model. Works real good. Needs some work, but all kinds of junk underneath. Workbench, toolbox. This is a 16 by 54 Pratt and Whitney, and this was bought at auction and sat here for well over a year before we did anything with it, and decided to make it work. So she runs really good. Everything's a little dirty around here, gets used. This is not a production shop. This is a one-off parts replication and fabrication. We build refuse trucks, and when they need a part, I build a part. That's about the bottom line. I had a Carolina bandsaw over here, and that one there I bought for about $100 and had to do some revamp work to it. Needed a motor, needed a few other things, blade, whatnot. Work in progress, but that's a quick rundown of my little work hole. Thanks. Bye.